Stop sign! Well, thank you. Thank you. 2 red light runners. I made the yellow, thank you.
10 people out for gatherings, remaining 25 people in public and private spaces. Then accused of shooting
Yesterday? Yep. Yep. Well, what the fuck do you want me to do? I have to merge, you asshole! Here we go again. I don't think he stopped. He didn't stop. No, it's not. Private truck and everything. And Volvo didn't stop. Jesus. Thank you, Cameroid. Yellow, red, and that's definitely a red light runner. Get it to a science. High beams, everybody with the fucking high beams. What is your friggin' problem, people? What was that for? Announcing you're running the red light? Hey, what the hell, dude? Wake the hell up. What the fuck? Oh, God. Hey, who are you? Hello. I don't like Sarah Lee. That's the way Sarah Lee drives. On the wall. Hello! Hello, stupido.
Make it easy to protect yourself and your family. Safe planning.
Our job is actually to make sure that we put in writing that their assets are protected, even if they don't need a nursing home.
You want to move your ass?
Or you don't have a trust. That's
She's pardon my articulation. Articulating. Get out of my trunk, thank you. And go, will ya? I hope you're not beeping at me. Fuck you, dude. Really, get fucked. Don't run the red light. Don't run the right on red. Now I gotta back up. The reverse of shame. Let's go home. Stop before you turn, you shitbag gorilla. That. You have a red. What the fuck? I believe that was a cop. Off duty. And the lights apply to you too, dirtbag biker dude. What the fuck? What the fuck is going on here today? Stop line fail? Stop! That was totally unnecessary, Toyo turd. Stop before you turn. Stop sign. I don't think he stopped either. You're a dickhead. Yeah. What are you doing? Jesus Christ, dude. This exit dive? Home Depot dive. What the fuck is this?
This is an urgent message for the vehicle owner. We've been trying to...
Die. Yeah. Please die, cheap jerk. Jesus. Staying your lane, stupid. Stay in your lane, dude. Stop sign. Yeah. Try looking where you're going, lady. Push away. Thank you. Thank you. Exit dive. Is that an exit dive?
Few degrees above average during the afternoon hours on Sunday, and that's a trend that will hold up in the early portion of the upcoming week as well. As far as the overnight hours, a lot of cloud cover.
Yikes! Almighty, that's an exit dive, huh? This jerk's gonna jump over here. See? There he goes, there he goes, there he goes. Yeah, can't even wait till it turns green.